Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I am standing in front of a brand new in-stock 2025 Harris Solstice 230. It's a well-equipped boat here in the sterling gray. We've done a matte black accent stripe. It's got the black rail package, and it's got the halo power top. Looks really sporty up here, and it has an integrated bimini on a power switch. Super awesome option. This boat is powered with a 250 horsepower Mercury V8 Verado out back with plenty of power. Let's climb aboard and check out some of the interior features. Climbing aboard here, we already spoke about the 250 V8 Verado out back. This boat has plenty of power to get a skier up, get you up on plane quickly. We've got a ski tow pylon on this boat as well. And you'll see we've got the safety change installed, which allow you to go across to your fender holders here and ride rear facing when you're underway. Over on the starboard side of the boat, we've upgraded the ladder to the lily pad easy step design. It's got a leash on it, goes up and down super easily with those nice wide treads. Very comfortable, very safe, and it's got a retainer clip on it right there. This boat's gonna be in the SL layout. It's very popular for us here. We've got a 3-position lounger. You can go in the forward facing configuration, aft facing, and goes all the way flat as well. Up under this seat, you've got storage, as well as your prop rod for this back seat. So with your lounger flat, you can face forward when you're underway. We've got our table and our flag both under here as well. We've got a trash can. This is a great spot for storage for your cover and other items. And then on all SL layout Harris pontoons, you're gonna have a cooler back up under this seat as standard. So you've got 3 stainless steel cup holders just next to that, USB and USB-C, 12 volt, and a stereo remote as well for your rear occupants. Coming forward, we've got a block off door right here to keep kids and pets inside the boat when you're underway. Again, the SL layout is going to be one of our most popular for good reason. Great seating, great flexibility. You're going to have space for a dedicated trash can up under this seat right here, and flip down armrests with cup holders on the Solstice as well. Over at the helm, this boat's going to have the raised helm platform that you see here. It's got a Simrad NSX screen in the center with the 2 analog gauges on the outside. It's a great setup here. That Simrad gives you all the functionality you need with the redundancies of the manual gauges. Great controls here for your lights, for your up and down on your power bimini, your horn, things like that, your key switch, and of course your Mercury digital throttle and shift for that 250 V8 out back. Coming further forward, this boat's going to have a large ski locker here in the center. Great storage space for your cover, tubes, water skis, all things like that. Locks up real nice. And then over on the port side, we've optioned this one with the flip-up table here. Goes up, great for use when you're out on the water, and stows away just as easily. Another last thing over here on the port side is you've got a nice wide entry door here with a little retainer to keep it open. Great access on and off the boat. It's a very safe way to get on and off the boat. Last but not least, up here at the bow, we're gonna have 6 cup holders total, 3 on each side with USB and USB-Cs. Flip down armrests again, and great storage underneath all of your seats here on hinges. Got storage here as well. So you've got an owner's manual and a fire extinguisher in there at the moment. This is one of our favorite boats to get out on the water. Great luxury option from Harris Pontoons. If you would like this boat and want to check it out, give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by today. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.